especially today being the first session of 9th and 10th life skill program, and to see so many participants sitting here, and it's really very nice. And children, believe me, few children who were slightly hesitant or nervous, it happens to every one of us, and it's okay. But you must come here. It is very important that you come here on stage, stand here and hold the mic. Sometimes we also hesitate if suddenly we are called, okay, come on stage and you have to speak on something. So it's okay. But then you have to be very calm, have the patience in you and calmness in you. Count 1, 2, and you have to take deep breath. And slowly you will see that is all the thoughts, what you have thought of, are coming to you, and then you start speaking or talking on the topic. But all the children who came here, can we have a huge round of applause? Everyone, you were all good, you were very nice. I know some of you were nervous and you went blank, but it's okay. But you were here, that is more important for us. Now, you know how it happens. I'll give you a small story of a very famous Sri Lankan cricketer. I have many cricketers here, and later on I'll ask you to give me the name of that famous cricketer. When he started his career, there are many selection processes you have, like in school also. If you have to be in your school team in a respective game, then there are some practice session. After the selection process is there, you are selected for your school team. Then from school, you go for inter-school competition. There also when you do well, you are selected and go for the state level selection. From state level selection, if we win, we go to national level and move on. Now, this person, when he was selected first time, he was very young, but when he came to his team to play for his country, the first time when he came, he was playing very good game at school level, college level. But when it came to international platform, he failed miserably. He did not attempt to hit a single ball. He just sat there. He was nervous. He blanked out that I am a batsman and I need to face the ball. Then everybody, they said, but he's very good. Why not give him a chance? Again, for the second test match, he was asked to go there. He did the same thing. But he kept practicing. Then he was removed from the team because we cannot have somebody who is not performing. It's very important for a player to perform on the playground, but he did not perform. He went back, kept practicing, he did not give up. Again, after 2 years, he was selected to play for his country. When he started the second time, again the same thing happened. 0, he was out at 0. 3, he played 3 test matches, all the 3 test matches, his record was only 0. Scored nothing. Again, all the selection committee said, why are we taking this person again and again? He was asked again to lead the cricket for his country, and the national team again came back. This fellow, he said, oh, but what's wrong with me? Why am I not able to face when I go to international level? What's wrong with me? Why am I doing this to me? There was embarrassment, there was humiliation, there was rejection from everyone. Again tried. He practiced for again 2.5 years. To his luck, he was selected for 3rd time. 3rd time he was selected. He failed 3rd time also too. He did not give up. Went back. Practiced. He said, if I get chance this time, I'm going to prove everyone that I'm the best. 4th time, again he was lucky, he was given a chance. And he became world famous, renowned cricketer who had hit, I think, more than 5,000 centuries and double centuries also double centuries. Unbelievable. Why? Why he could achieve that? He did not give up. He said, no, I have to prove to everyone that I am the best and I will become the best. Many of us would have given up after first time. Embarrassment, rejection, humiliation, everyone laughing at us. We would have not gone to cricket ground to do practice. We would have hated going there. Second time, same thing. Third time, same thing. Fourth time, I proved. Children, never give up in life. It happens, but don't give up. That if I failed once, I'll never or I will not be able to make it. That first time should make you more strong and more confident. I can do it and I will prove it to everyone. The people who laughed at him, the people who humiliated him were waiting for that one autograph from the same person. The cricketer's name is, who will tell? Mine? Yes. Okay. So famous cricketer, children, there are so many examples and so many people who teach us in life that giving up is not an option in life. It is keep trying, and we have in it, one day we will succeed. So children, my message to you, all the children who came, very good, very nice, be trying, keep trying on, and next time, since it is a speaking skill program, please do not come with the paper, and why we forget or why we get confused, because we try to memorize. Instead of that, try to understand your topic. If you understand your topic, you will never forget. You will never go blind there. Because we try to memorize the lines, then we get little confused here and there. But initial state, in the beginning, it is fine. But from next time onward, you have to see that it's an X-step. We are not using paper. We first understand the topic. Topics taken are very, very good and relevant to us. Now when we are talking about water, now how many of you, it is very easy to come speak. We all make promises. But do we really want to do something is a big question. Now how many of you will say that I will use only half bucket of water in the morning? We open the shower, we have so many bathroom singers, water is running, more than half an hour we are there, and we forget to again even maybe close the tap. Water is just running, we are wasting, but we are talking about water and how to save water. How many of you will just raise the hands and say, okay, we will try it, not half a bucket, 1 bucket of water in the morning, 1 bucket of water in the evening. One hand I saw, I need a huge amount of applause for this boy. What are you going to do? See, now hesitation is there. My hand is going, I'm not sure whether I'm going to do it or not. Don't raise your hand just to show it to us. It should come from your heart. It should come from within. If I want to do something for my country, it has to be from somewhere. The beginning has to be from here. Not from somewhere, not from the government, not from Modi ji. It's so easy to blame the government, it's so easy to blame everyone, but we don't want to do anything. So we must start doing it on friendship, on environment, on Indian culture, tradition, everything. Very good topic, very nice topic, and good show. Very nice children. And now since it's a competition, so your teachers have asked me to announce the result. I feel you're all winners. The children who come on stage are winners for me. But since it's a competition, so I will announce the winners.
This or last time? This time now? Just now, presently. Okay, yes, fine.
Third place goes to, any guesses? Okay, it goes to Ayush Bansal. He is not enough to be out of 40 marks. Come on, come on stage. Children. second place goes to one more name. Sherry, 37 out of 40. Very, very, very thank you. I think I missed their, I missed it. And the first place goes to Tushar, yes. Good. 38 out of 40.
Could I have both the judges also here, please?